So it's Jacob here again from ATLAS Environmental Services. What we'd like to show you today is the successful installation of our BRCGS implementation of our sophisticated audited pest management system. This is at our client's additional site. It is currently undergoing a full refurbishment and should be fully functioning in approximately 3 to 4 weeks' time. However, our client wanted the site fully compliant and the monitor control points in place and in situ, so they can see where racking systems etc. are going to be installed. As you can see, digitally printed labelling control points, fixed and secured, both sides of the main entrance, high risk location, fully covered. Again, another storage location. It's going to be for stored products, dry foods, rodent control point, insect control point, non-toxic, fully labelled insect detection device, date label upon each inspection process. Full coverage, both sides of the RSD. Obviously there is an ingress point here, however they've had construction work to repair some flooring, again to remain fully compliant. We have checked the RSD out and there are no current ingress points when it's fully closed and fully functioning. Fixed and secured. So we've ensured that full coverage has been implemented. This is going to be the warehouse storage system. It's going to be racking areas across this surface floor. Unfortunately, because the racking systems aren't installed, we're unable to install the 𝗕𝗥𝗖𝗎𝗓𝗏 moth pheromone units today. However, these will be installed on our follow-up visits. No current pest issues. The building is structurally sound. There's no proofing defects. There's no evidence of any pest species, including avian and bird species. The rear fire door is not in use, has been fully proofed up. Again, we have installed a monitor control point in that location. 14 monitor points in total. It's only a small unit. And then we've got our 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗃𝗃 unit, which has been neatly installed today. As you can see, it's monitor control point A. We've got the date label inspection, shatterproof tubes, catchment trays, and the unit will be deep cleaned, analysed on a quarterly basis and documented within the site file. Tidy installation. ATLAS Environmental Services, the Northwest solution for audited pest management of sites that require BRC, AIB and 𝗕𝗏 accreditation. So it's Jacob here from ATLAS Environmental Services. It's a Friday morning. We're currently in Poulton-le-Fylde and we are attending our client's site to implement a new BRCGS accreditation requirements for their pest management system at their additional unit. So as usual, we've got all the monitoring devices prepared and ready for an efficient installation. We've got our internal rodent and insect monitor control points, which have all been fixed and secured with tethering points using stainless steel fixings. All internal units are non-toxic and with the correct date label inspection procedures. We've got ×2 𝗕𝗥𝗖𝗏 moth pheromone units, digital printed labels. We've got our fixing kit ready to implement and carry out a successful installation. ×2 Metal Tamperproof external monitoring devices. These are fitted with breakback traps and 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗏 non-toxic attractants installed. Again, date labels, digital printed labels in accordance with the site plan and monitor checklist. We've got ×1 electronic fly killing device unit. Again, date labels, corded extension to tuck the wires in nice and neatly on our installation. Got our client site file, the service vehicle, and our client's new site.